Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom, and today you'll be riding along with me as I drive in Capitol Reef National Park. But to all my first time visitors, I'd first of all like to say welcome. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I would also encourage everyone to leave a comment on this video because I'm honestly curious about what you thought about it. So this video begins where the last one left off, entering Capitol Reef National Park from its eastern entrance on Utah 24. From there, we'll follow Utah 24 through some amazing scenery to the park's main attraction and its 8-mile scenic drive. After buying my National Parks Pass, we'll travel the entire length of the paved scenic road all the way to Capitol Gorge, which is where this video will end. Also, this video is just from the 5th day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which will include video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones that we've already released like California, New Mexico, and Texas, but also upcoming states like Arizona, Colorado, and Kansas. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving west on Utah 24 in beautiful Capitol Reef National Park, one of the mighty 5 in amazing Utah. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll make our way out of Capitol Reef National Park and on to Utah 24 to Torrey, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.